Hi guys, this is Chaturveda from Ecom Veda. In this video, I am going to tell you about Amazon Seller Central mobile app, how you can manage your inventory, how you can manage your orders using the Amazon Seller Central mobile app. When you type in the Play Store Amazon Seller, this is the app. I have already downloaded it and I am using it from last 4 to 5 years. So it's asking for update. Let's update it. Okay, now I have updated my seller Amazon Seller app. Okay, let's open it now. See, this is this is the app. Many options like add product. Before that there is a drop down where home, inventory, pricing, advertising, orders, communication, account health, help, seller support, send us app feedback, product photo studio, sign out. These are the drop downs, and here are add product, manage orders, manage returns, manage case log, and all. Here you can see the slab, you can see the graph, your sales graph. See, you can change the option over here. Last 30 days. From last 30 days, the sales was 16.88k. Okay. From last 7 days, the sales was 2494. Okay. I'll choose last 30 days sales. Okay. See, there's an option called add product. Here you can type any product name like basketball, and click on search. There are many options. You can, if you have the similar product with you, you can sell the product. See, if you have its ranking, see this one ranks 557 Amazon ranking in the toys category. Okay, if you have similar type product, you can sell this. See here, selling eligibility, you can sell this product on Amazon. Okay, so to sell the same product, you just click on sell, then add all the product details. So see, the ASN is already assigned to this product because somebody is selling this product. This is a non-branded product, so you are getting a chance to sell this product under that ASIN. Okay, and condition, you can select it as new because you are selling a new product. Condition note, you can type it as new one. Okay, this migrated template. Quantity, how many quantities you have, you just mention like 5, or match low price. If you click on match low price, your pricing will be automatically mentioned on that. You just put MRP, like if the MRP is 599, just put it. You just seller SKU, this is a code you can type, code in the sense for your reference. like I can say basketball 2019. You can type it. Then you can press on continue. I'm not pressing it now because I'm not listing this product in my inventory, so just cancel it. Let's go back. Likewise, you can search any product on Amazon if it is a non-branded, or if the trademark is not there on that product. You can just sell that particular product, and you can add that particular product in your inventory. See, manage orders. Here, if you have any orders, you can see the orders. If you have any pending order, you can process the order over here. See, these orders, wherever it's written like payment complete, these are the orders from went from Amazon warehouse, where I have kept my products. If I am keeping my products on Amazon warehouse, they are packing it and they are delivering it, they are shipping it to the customers when I am getting the orders. So manage returns. See, if you get any returns of your products, you can see which are the products I am getting, which are the products are being returned to me. Manage case logs. These are the inquiries made by you through Amazon Seller Central app. If you have any query on any issue on Amazon, you just click on this drop down and you just click on seller support, and you just click on contact seller support, and you just choose the option whichever is appropriate. Like if you have any doubt on inventory, like adding or updating products, you just click on that. You just put your mobile number over here and just click on call me now. Then the Amazon customer care, you will get a call from Amazon customer care, and you will have your all queries regarding that particular topic will be clarified. Communications. These are the communications made by the customers regarding your products or regarding your shipping, everything. Campaign manager. You can run the ads for your you can run ads. See, I was running an ad called Amazon Great Indian Festival. During the Amazon Great Indian Festival hours, so I was paying some amount of money, like daily budget 150 rupees on that period, to boost my sales. You can do this, and rest all are like account health. How is your account health? Any complaints are there by customers? All are being shown over here. Growth opportunities. Likewise, there are many options. You can go through it by logging into the Seller Central app. See, customer feedback is there, payment, the weekly payment, the electronic payment, and this COD balance payment. It's showing in negative because I had shipped some products to Amazon warehouse and they have taken some amount for shipping as shipping cost, so that's why it's showing negative. Okay, manage FBA shipments. So likewise, if you there's one more option. If you refer anybody for sale on Amazon, you will be getting some amount, like an up to 15,000 for every friend who gets launched on Amazon as seller. It's like if you are promoting this app to if you are promoting anybody to sell on Amazon, you will be getting 15,000 up to 15,000 rupees when he joins the Amazon Seller Central. And if some amount of some products will if it is if he sells some products through his Seller Central, then you will be getting around 15,000. See, it's written already, like if your friend launches on Amazon within 30 days of registration, you will be eligible to receive rewards worth up to 15,000. Conditions apply. See, terms and conditions. These are the terms and conditions. You can go through it. So this is about Amazon sellers. This is about Amazon Seller app. Thank you so much. Good day.